Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fox face mask on Dress to Impress. You do need several VIP items, so let's get started with the video. For the mask, I'm just going to select this one with the feather in VIP, toggle it to no feathers, color it to whatever color you want, but I'm starting it with the color white for everything on the mask. Then you're going to need the pirate's hat, and also I colored it white again to match the color of the face. But if you, for instance, colored it pink or black or blue, just follow that color. Position the Y to 0.38, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.47 and scale it all the way down to 0. Now we are going to get out of VIP and we're going to grab these ears here. I'm just going to color it white and black, again, white and red, and color it to whatever color you want. Position the Y to 0.41, Z 0.32, and scale it to 0.49. Then I just grabbed these whiskers. I didn't do any adjustments, but I colored it red, just according to like the color palette of my mask here, as you can see. Then I grabbed this from the World Cultures area and colored it white and red. In default, position the Y to 0.53, Z 0.40, rotate the X to 0.48 and scale it all the way down to 0. Then I added these earrings, the pearl earrings, and I colored it black in neon so that it doesn't have any shine to it. Position the Y to 0.52, Z 0.42, rotate the Y to 0.37 and scale it to 0.41. Then lastly, I grabbed these lashes on the 9th toggle in red, position the X to 0.48, Y 0.53, Z 0.29, and that's it. And that is how you can create this really cool fox mask on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!